Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how to fix corrupted update files in Steam. So first, you need to clear the download cache. Open the Steam application, log into your Steam account, select Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Now go to the section of Downloads. Again, scroll down and click on Clear Cache under Clear Download Cache. Select Confirm and your Steam will restart instantly. You'll be logged out of your Steam and you need to log back in. This step can often resolve issues with downloading or starting applications. You can also repair the library folders. So go to Storage. From here, click on the three dot next to the disk and tap on Repair Library and tap on OK to confirm. It will start the repair process. You can also try verifying the integrity of the game files. For specific games, if you're having problem or issue on that, you can select its properties, go to Installed Files section, and then select Verify Integrity of the game files. And these steps should help you resolve corrupted, updated files on Steam. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.